Today we're looking at portrait in Photoshop. So first of all, we open Photoshop by using on our taskbar, and Photoshop opens. Then we need to open a portrait. So that's File, Open, or Control plus O. Find a portrait that we want to work on. Go to current one. These are my school photos. Copyright reasons. So there's a portrait. Now, when you open a portrait, I've always got it on crop. So the first thing you need to do is crop a portrait. Tap on that, tap on there, and you'll get a rule of thirds grid. So with a rule of thirds with a portrait, you should be focusing mainly on the eyes and the mouth. Now I see how that works. Might bring that down. So we're both our eyes in two of the golden zones. You could move it up so our mouth is as well, but we'll just leave it at that at the moment. So we've got the whole face. Enter. And there we have a rule of thirds portrait. Now the reason we do this is because when we look at it, any picture, we should be looking at the golden zones. And here I'd like you to concentrate on the eyes, so I've cropped it for that. Now, next thing to do is check our resolution. So image size. Now, here we are in inches, so that's for America, that's handy. So we want an 8 by 10. So we'll take that off and we'll change that to 10. And we'll change the resolution to 144, which is minimum printable size. Hit OK. And there we have a portrait. So Control minus will get it to fit a bit better on the screen.